Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify data reliability with Qualtrics, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify data reliability with Qualtrics, begin by logging into your Qualtrics account. Navigate to the project containing the data you wish to verify. Once you're in the project, head to the Data and Analysis tab. In this section, locate the dataset you want to examine. First, review your response distribution to identify any anomalies. Use the filters available to focus on specific demographic groups or answer patterns. Next, check for missing data by examining the appropriate columns. Identify any responses that are incomplete or contain invalid entries. Qualtrics provides several built-in reports to aid in this process. Select the Statistics option to view key metrics for your data. Pay close attention to consistency measures such as Cronbach's alpha. A value above 0.7 generally indicates acceptable reliability. To perform a more thorough analysis, consider exporting the data. Export it in a format suitable for further analysis in statistical software. Once exported, run reliability tests like Cronbach's alpha or split-half reliability. Document any variations you observe during this analysis. Revisit your original survey design to ensure questions align with your reliability goals. If needed, adjust your survey questions to improve response clarity. Once satisfied with the data verification process, apply your findings to future projects. Finally, continuously seek ways to enhance your survey methods for increased reliability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.